Choose wisely, Neil.
That's Dr. Pepper, bro. Yeah, man. So, what we're doing right now, bro? It's mad.
Same, bro.
Top of the motherfucking morning.
Yeah.
Like, how you feeling, brother?
Good, mate. I'm just a bit tired, just a bit hungry as well.
Yeah. Was it a good night?
Yeah, it was actually sick to be fair.
Yes,
Especially found a place that actually had decent fucking music and remixes. So. In Sapa.
In Sapa, yeah. Like I said there, just a couple of hungry souls. Young Jeff having a shower. He's gonna meet us, gonna grab some food. Last official day in Sapa. It's been fun, man. It's actually been chill, relaxed, calm, ready to tackle Hanoi again. And then where are we off to, Echo?
What, today?
Now after Hanoi.
Oh, Hanoi, yeah. Hanoi, then we go to a place called Magjo.
Yeah.
With Baby James. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Let's do this shit. We'll show you the food we're getting. We're just going to replenish on calories today. Not really been eating as much, really. Unintentionally losing weight, but then we're walking around and shit all the time. But yeah, tune in, catch you soon, pal. Here we are, we found some scram. Views, pretty nice. Just gonna chill. Let's go.
It's a bit of chili sauce with some omelette and some toast.
Yes,
Nice
sir.
and easy, bro. Got bacon, onions, all the good shit.
All the good shit, man. Yeah, boy.
So we just got our ticket for the train station. We're going to go to the cable car to Sapa, the highest point of... I still don't know what it's the highest point of. It's the, what do they call it? The Chinese countries,
like, yeah.
That's like Cambodia, Vietnam, China.
Yes.
Them ones. Yeah. Going to be a lot of good views, so stay tuned, mate.
It's like a train station, man. Yeah, man. Very, very pretty, very clean, but should be a good one. Tune in, ciao.
I don't have much time, so I'm gonna have to leave you this message now. You're gonna be offered a red or a blue pill. Choose wisely, Neil. Hello. I'm on a train to Fansipan, highest mountain in Indochina, standing at a massive 3,127 feet, if I can remember correctly. If I've got that right, I'm the G. But it's actually 3 times the size of Snowdonia or Ben Nevis, there or thereabouts, which is pretty mad to be fair. No, it's not. 3,127 meters, 10,000 feet. So yeah, it's massive. Got the boys here. There's Connor. And we got Nelly.
All sat away from each other.
Yeah, all sat as far away as possible. We can't stand the sight of me. Wanna know how I got these scars? He can't stand the sight of me.
Bro, just have a look. Views, bro. Check this.
Oh my god. Fucking maddest train station there. Here we are right now. Just chilling.
They've not closed the door, bro.
rented it out for the day. There's a little cable car. We rented it all out. Paid $8.
Big money. Bro, my ass is clenched, bro. Bro. Oh my god. Bro, we're just in a little fun. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful, bro. I feel like we're in the clouds. Check this shit out. Wow.
No, you have to do a shot one.
Am I doing Travis Scott one? Wow.
I can get a good picture of that.
Look at that, bro. Check that. It's mad.
Same, bro.
Okay, let's have a look. Cool packaging.
Let's see.
That's Dr. Pepper, bro.
Yeah.
That's Dr. Pepper, bro.
Well, there's no Oreo in that.
They finessed my brother right here.
I think overall, the review tastes good, but it's got to be a 4 because it doesn't say what it doesn't taste like what it says.
Chance of any Oreo in this
You know,
joint?
I'm gutted, absolutely gutted, mate. I love Oreos.
Seems crying, man. Nice one.
Fucking joke.
Yeah, man. So, what we doing right now, bro?
So we just booked in a massage, 200k dunk. We got full body for 60 minutes. Have to get changed into these bad boys. So for yours, I'll give you the pot ones.
Not got them on just yet, but in a minute, boom. How much was it, Egg?
That's 200k, which is like £6 for a 60-minute massage, bro.
Can't complain, bro. Can't complain. Come on. Tune in for the afters. You'll see how the boys are. Chin chow. And that's all she wrote, bro. That concludes our trip in Sapa. How's it been, bro?
Been good. It's been chilling. Much needed relaxation.
Just needed that shit. What do you think?
Well, it's been a pleasure, bro. It's been a pleasure. Like, we've done everything. Fancy pan, cat, chilling jacuzzi, rooftop views. Experienced it.
Actually.
Yeah.
Haji Anglu, you need to chill. Or you might need to chill after 3 days, depending on who you are, but I definitely needed to, so.
And it. We all needed it, bro. Very much needed. Feeling recharged, ready for Hanoi. Gonna get in Hanoi, pick up where we left off. We've got a little trend, not a trend, but a little thing we're gonna be doing at different locations. So tune in on the TikTok and Instagram, on the shorts. But yeah, man. Beautiful music out in Sapa. We'll see you on the other side. Is it still going?